Did you know the average millionaire, the person who has achieved true financial freedom, has not just one, not just two, but 7 streams of income? It's a strategy for building lasting wealth. But what if you could start your second or even your first stream of income with just your spare change? Those pennies and dimes can actually make a difference. While you're scrolling TikTok, catching up on the latest trends, Gen Z is quietly building wealth, securing their financial futures with an app called Acorns. It's their secret weapon. Acorns isn't just for Wall Street elites. It's not exclusive to the financial gurus. It's for anyone with a smartphone. It's accessible to everyone. Every day you wait, procrastinating on your financial future, is a day of potential growth lost. Time is money after all. Your friends are turning everyday spending into investments, making their money work harder, growing money while they sleep. It's the power of passive income. They're not financial geniuses. They don't have secret knowledge, just regular people who set up Acorns in 5 minutes. It's that simple. Investing used to be complicated and expensive. It was a hassle, not anymore. Now, it's at your fingertips. Acorns makes investing automatic and effortless, taking the guesswork out of it so you can build wealth in the background. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach. You don't have to give up your lattes or avocado toast. You can still enjoy the little things, just let the app work for you. Let it handle the heavy lifting. Stop letting your spare change disappear. Don't let it slip through your fingers. Start putting it to work. Make your money grow. Let's break down how Acorns works. Let's dive into the details. Acorns is a user-friendly micro-investing app designed to help you start investing with ease. It cleverly turns your spare change from everyday purchases into investments, making investing accessible to everyone. Simply link your debit or credit card to the app, and every purchase you make is automatically rounded up to the nearest dollar. The difference from that roundup is then invested into a portfolio of your choosing. For example, if you buy a $4.25 coffee, Acorns rounds it up to $5 and automatically invests the 75 cents difference for you. These small amounts may seem insignificant at first, but they add up surprisingly fast over time. Before you know it, you've painlessly invested $20, $50, or even more each month without even noticing it. Acorns takes your invested money and puts it into diversified portfolios of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These ETFs are essentially baskets of different stocks and bonds, providing a balanced investment approach. The best part is, you don't need to pick individual stocks or even fully understand the complexities of the market. Acorns handles all of the investment decisions and management for you, automatically. You simply answer a few quick questions about your financial goals, investment timeline, and your personal risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Acorns intelligently recommends a suitable investment portfolio tailored to your needs. So, whether you prefer a conservative approach with lower risk or an aggressive strategy for potentially higher returns, there's an option designed just for you. It's truly set-it-and-forget-it investing at its finest, making it absolutely perfect for beginner investors who are just starting out. Acorns handles virtually everything behind the scenes. This allows you to focus on living your life to the fullest, without the stress of actively managing your investments. Ready to start? Download Acorns from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up with your basic info. It's secure and straightforward. Link your debit or credit card so Acorns can track your purchases for roundups. Connect your checking account for investments. Answer a few questions about your age, income, and goals. Acorns builds a portfolio tailored to you. That's it. You're officially an investor. Every time you use your card, Acorns invests your spare change automatically. Watch your account grow in the background. It's the easiest way to start building wealth. Want to supercharge your Acorns account and see your investments grow faster? Setting up recurring investments is a fantastic way to build wealth over time. Even small amounts like $5 or $10 a week can really add up and make a significant difference in the long run. Another great feature to leverage is the Roundup Multiplier. Use the Roundup Multiplier to double or even triple your spare change contributions, accelerating your investment growth. That seemingly small 75 cents from your daily coffee can quickly become $1.50 or even more, significantly boosting your investments and overall portfolio performance. Don't forget to take full advantage of Acorns Earn. Shop through the app's partner retailers and get cashback rewards that are automatically invested back into your account. It's essentially free money that you earn on things you would be buying anyway, making it a win-win situation. Most importantly, try not to panic when the market experiences a dip or downturn. Remember, investing is a long game. Stay consistent with your contributions and allow your money the time it needs to grow. Avoid the temptation of panic selling during market volatility. Market dips often present excellent opportunities to buy more investments at lower prices, potentially increasing your returns in the long run. Trust in the investment process and continue contributing regularly, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. The individuals who achieve significant wealth are typically those who remain invested through both good times and bad. So let the power of time and compound interest work its magic for you, and watch your investments flourish. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and your biggest asset is time. Compound interest turns small investments into big gains over decades. Acorns removes the barriers: no big money needed, no complicated steps. Start today, and you're planting seeds for your future self. Imagine the freedom to travel, start a business, or retire early, all from investing your spare change. Don't wait. Every day matters. Download Acorns, link your card, and set up a small recurring investment. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. You have the power to build your future, one acorn at a time. If this helped, like, share, and follow at Finance Videos. Money for more tips.